Hi everyone, come with me as we're about to start this amazing, stunning portrait. It's one of the biggest painting I've ever done. Let's start with the materials and the process, how I achieved this amazing artwork after mixing all the colors I need and the canvas. I don't start to apply the the colors. I start with the background. The reason why I start with the background is if I'm able to put out the background, it will give me more idea and how. So, like I said, it will give me more idea and how the work is going to look like. So, after putting on the background, I looked at the work and start to work on the skin. As you can see, this is a very big and massive work. Ever standing on something, try to get on top of the work because it's so big. So start graduating the work. Yeah. So it was kind of stressful, but I really enjoy every bit of stroke, color mixture about the work. Because I was looking at the reference. So just watch till the end so that you can see how massive and big how the work is. Sometimes I can even use a chair to get it on top. It was very very big. Yes. You cannot see how you are beginning to bring out the work and everything is coming up, everything is beginning to show up. Yes. Yeah, this is acrylic paint on canvas. Yeah. Hope you are enjoying the work. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, subscribe and follow. Stay tuned for more painting tutorial, pastel, charcoal pencil, abstract painting. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, but with these little tips can help you grow and take your art to the next level. So keep watching till the end. You can help me share, comment, tell me what you think of it. Likes the work, give me a thumbs up. I really really appreciate. Thank you for your time, for your support, with all your encouragement to me. I can never take it for granted. You people are my family and I love you all. So everything is coming up perfectly well as you are developing to the final stage of the work. As you can see, I have some acrylic on the ground. Yeah. So I hope you learned something today. This tutorial. If you have anyone that's interested in learning art, painting, or charcoal painting, portraits, landscape, you can share or invite them to subscribe to this tutorial. Keep watching. The finishing work will really amaze you as we hit towards the ending. Yeah, Alpha. Yeah, so keep watching. Well, my advice to the upcoming artists is keep creating, keep pushing. You know, you can do big. If you have any challenge, anything you want to ask me, you can ask to my drop the comments. Right, so this is how we've done the work, and people just gather to watch. Yeah, so we're just doing some final touches. We are almost there. Yeah, I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to join me on my next tutorial. The work is coming to an end. I just want to appreciate you for your time. If you watch this video up to here, thank you. Thank you. Spot. I hope you enjoy the work. Yeah, it's not really easy. See? Get back to work. There's some final touches. Yes. Oh, yeah. So we are come to the end of this video. Like I say, see you in my next tutorial. Do well to help me share for more. Now we have this wonderful painting here, one of my greatest painting of all time. Hope you enjoy it. See you in my next video. Love you. Out.